Greetings, Eagle and Shah. Sounds of the grackles communicating emotion, unconditional expression, other than the garbage truck riding by. Beautiful harmonic therapy, sound, color, communicators. Questo era non volevo da the wind of inspiration. Sotala hanoya mnohoje setia mnohoje takiala. Communication, black, they're blackbirds with purple heads, blue heads, yellow tint heads, coinciding with color therapy, absorbing everything. We can't get rid of it, so we have to move it, express it, express this color. Purple, cosmic wisdom, blues, truth. You see them, but there's a whole bunch of them in here, whole gackle of them. Yeah. It's hypnotic, the hypnotic tones of the grackles, vibrant expression. Where are they at? I can't even see them. Express emotion, unconditional. Eu. One who sees. Thank you for tuning in as usual. I love you all. I'll see you soon.